Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have admin access and translators ready. Start here. Open your Zoom web settings, enable closed captioning, and allow live transcription. Then, assign a co-host who will manage translation during the meeting. This avoids interrupting the host. Once done, launch the meeting and click Live Transcript. You do this now so the system can route captions to designated translators. That ensures accurate, language-specific output from the outset. Now configure interpretation. In the meeting controls, click Interpretation, then add interpreter and enter each translator's email and language pair. You should instruct interpreters to use a wired headset for clarity and to mute other channels. Once interpreters join, open the interpretation panel and start interpretation. This creates separate audio channels per language. You do this so participants can switch channels and hear a clean, real-time translation without caption delay. Finish by reminding participants to choose their language channel via interpretation or enable live transcript in view options. Walk them through the button. Make a cloud recording with separate audio tracks if you need transcripts later. If something goes wrong, check permissions first. Make sure interpreters are unmuted and have interpretation rights. If the feed drops, stop and restart interpretation or reassign the interpreter. Quick action prevents long gaps and keeps your meeting accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.